everyone, my name is Prachi Pratap Shinde. Today's date is 22 October 2024 and today's topic is package in Java. Introduction to package in Java. In Java, a package is a mechanism to organize the related classes and interface into the namespace, making the code more modular, maintainable and reusable. Think of the package like a folder in your computer that helps to manage the file. In Java, it allows grouping similar types of classes and interface. Java packages serves two main purpose: preventing name conflicts. With the help of package, Java allows different developer to create the classes with the same name but under different packages. Managing large project, package helps structure a program into multiple modules, making it easier to manage and maintain. Types of package in Java. There are two types of package in Java. First is built-in package. Java provides a number of predefined package that comes with the JDK. Example include Java util contains ultimate classes like Java ArrayList, HashMap, etc. Java IO, it provides classes for input and output operations. Java.lan package, this is a fundamental package automatically imported in every Java program. It contains essential classes like string, math, object, etc. Second is user defined package. These are the custom package created by the developer to organize their classes and interface. For example, you can create your own package like package myproject.ultimated. How to create a package? To create a package, use the package keyword at the beginning of your Java file allowed by the package name. For example, package com.example my app. This line should be the first statement in your Java program except for the comments. After this, you can define your classes and interface. Importing package to use a classes. For the different packages, you need to import this package. This is done using the import keyword. For example, import Java util .ArrayList. This line imports the Java list classes from the Java util package. If you want to import all the classes from the package, use import .java.util.star. This imports all the classes from the java.util. Package naming conversions. Java package names typically follow the convention to ensure the uniqueness, especially in a large scale application. The common practice is to use the reverse of the company domain name. For example, com.oracle.database, com.org.apache.coms. This ensures that two developers will accidentally create the packages with the same name. Access modifier and packages. Java access the modifiers like public, protected, private and default plays an important role in how two classes and members are accessed across the packages. Here are quick summary. Public classes or a member can be accessed from any other classes, whether they are in a same package or a different one. protected. A protected member can be accessed within a own package and subclasses. No modifier. When no access modifier is specified, the classes or a member is accessed only within a same package. That's all about the package in Java. Thank you.